The US just made a move that could shift power dynamics in the Middle East, and here's what happened. President Donald Trump has ordered the process of blacklisting certain communities from the Muslim as terrorist organizations. These specific chapters include Egypt, Lebanon, and Jordan, and President Trump is accusing them of supporting groups like Hamas and destabilizing the region. Under Trump's order, the Treasury Secretary and Secretary of the State have 30 days to prepare a report based on this. Then, within 45 days, US has the power to declare these states as terrorist organizations. If designated, it would become illegal to support or fund these states, and the leaders of these states would face sanctions. The White House says that this move is to protect US and also stop a global network of terrorism. Critics argue that this might not only be for security reasons but also for political agendas. They also fear that how this whole process might affect the civil society in Middle East. The White House says that this whole initiative is to protect US and also stop a network that fuels terrorism. Not everyone agrees to this. Critics argue that this might not just be for the security of the nation, but also have a hidden political messaging to it. And many of them worry about the impact that this motive will have on the Middle Eastern civil societies. This decision might spark strong political interest. We'll know about its impact really soon.